Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video on how to tutorials. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys something most people struggle with is on how to edit stairs. So as you can see, we got wooden stairs, we got brick stairs, we got metal stairs. So you guys are placing them down, seeing the pros editing them, and then wondering on how do you edit them. So it's okay guys, because I'll be teaching you today on how to edit the stairs. Because if you some of you guys are like, you could tap and edit the stairs like most people do. No, it's not actually tap. I'll show you what it is. Tap, because you guys might think it's tap. Look, I'm tapping. Nothing is happening. I'm letting go. Nothing is happening. You guys think it's tap because you could tap on pyramids. Watch this. Because you could tap on pyramids, you could tap on walls. Watch this, hold on. Look, you could tap on walls. So, you guys think, oh, that's a new edit I just learned right now. So you guys could tap on walls, and you could tap on floors. Let me quickly show you guys how it looks like. Look, pyramids. And you could tap on floors. Let me quickly show you it, hold on. I cannot place the floor just like that. See? Just tapping on floor, see? Like that. So I'm gonna be going to show you guys how do you edit stairs, like the most reasonable thing. It's like a dragging thing. So you grab the big part and then you drag it to the other big part like that. See, so like that. And then if you wanna bring it back, grab the small part and bring it to that small part. So big part to big part, this middle small part to that middle small part, like that. So now I'm going to be going through the different ways of editing. There is side editing, is basically grab that small part like that, the opposite one. There is like, yeah, I already did that one. One thing, like one stair editing, like that, you can edit from that way. All you have to do is grab the small bits. Guys, like any time you grab the small bits and bring them back to another direction, that it brings you, but you have to bring them to another small bit, like another small bit direction. I'm a pretty good editor on Xbox, but I'm not a good editor on computer. I'll quickly show you how I edit on computer right after I edit these. So there's also one fancy type of edit. I don't know the name. It's basically like you do this, and then you turn it this way. You do this, and then you turn it that way. I don't know what's it called, but you can keep building like this. I don't know what's it called, but you guys could search it up. So basically this is actually a type of edit most you guys barely see, and not a lot of people use this edit. So yeah, so you basically go, I'm still struggling on editing on Xbox and stuff, as you guys can see. Or you guys can just build, watch me pop 90s real quick with these. You guys cannot pop 90s at all if you do this type of edit. Bam. No one can pop 90s. Let me try one more time. Hold on. Oh, wait. Oh, I got that. I popped it a little bit. Well, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I edit on my Xbox, on my Xbox, and how I edit on my computer. Now that you guys know, this is how I edit on my wait. So this is how I edit on my Xbox. 3, 2, 1, like that, and stuff like that. The Xbox editing and everything. And now I'm gonna be showing you guys how to edit on computer. Hold on. Not like how to edit, it's basically the same thing, but I'm gonna show you guys how I edit on computer. I still have struggles with this one, as I forgot the name. Well, also guys, go check out my other video. It's basically a video where I show you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. If you guys didn't know, subscribe, like, and share, and let me quickly show you how I edit on PC. So alright, let me fix this real quick, make it normal side. Alright, let me quickly go on my PC. Hold on. Alright guys, I'm on PC, and now I'm gonna be showing you how bad my edits are on PC. It's not that bad, but it is bad. Look, 3, 2, 1. See? Bam. Alright, so this is actually kind of bad. It is kind of good, but in my opinion, it's bad. This is how I pop 90s on PC. See, pretty bad, ain't it? So, now that you guys know how to build stairs, I'll further edit stairs, not because I just recognized I would make this video because I recognize most people have challenges with it. As you can see, pros editing stairs, people editing stairs in box fight, and they want to copy them. Then they try to edit stairs and see it's not tapping because they know most things. This is me editing on PC, by the way. And then they see the pros doing it, so they're like, wait, what? How come most people get to tap but we don't get to tap? And then they go try it out, and then bam, next thing you know, they tried tapping and it didn't work. So this was a tutorial for you guys who don't know how to edit. So yeah, if this video was useful for you guys, please smash that like button. And now I'm gonna be show-offing my edits on PC. I'm not even time-lapsing this video, or I'm not even making it fast motion. This is just my good edits on PC. This is how it looks like. Well, I didn't say it was bad, but I'm trying to say my stair edits are bad only. Oh, let me place the stair right down. So guys, you guys can go exit out, but before you exit out, please subscribe, like, and share to get notified every single time I post a video, and to get notified every time I post a tutorial, so you guys can learn different stuff every single day. Turn on your post notifications and everything. Peace out, guys. Like, turn on every single post notification, subscribe, like, and share to my videos, and peace.